not win medal in Olympic. We will have to understand why India do not win medal in Olympic. Then we will have to understand 4C framework. 4C framework stands for culture, capital, conformity and cricket. My first point is culture. Culture in India, people consider culture as their harmony, but we have to make our culture a struggle. In India, Haryana and Punjab always dominate India's Olympic contingent. My second point is capital. Here we discuss India and China made investment in sport. India's sport budget in sports is around $415 million and China's sport budget is $3.2 billion, which is 8 times of India. And if we talk about private sector investment on sports in India is $2 billion only, but in China private sector investment is $415 billion, which is 400 times of Indian private budget. So in China, not only the government but also the people promotes sports so much. My third point is conformity. Conformity means let it go, no action, who take risk. That's the mentality of Indians. And my sub point in this is body. Body play a very important role in Olympics and other sports games. In India, people take 25% nutrients from its food, but in China, people take 90% nutrients from its food. This is fact. Yeah, my last point is cricket. In India, everyone knows IPL, Indian Premier League. The broadcasting budget of IPL is in billions, and compared to all other sports, and we also compare to our sport budget. Our sport budget is in 415 million, but only broadcasting of IPL is in billions, which is fact. And here we can guess in India there is a lot of craze for cricket, not for other sports. Yeah, last my point is conclusion. Unless we have get